everyone, my name's Allie and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. Well, the fall season is officially in full swing, so in today's video, I wanted to share some of my favorite fast-growing plants to grow in containers for fall. All of these plants are perfect for your fall container garden, or for those who have a more mild winter climate, you can start growing them now. They grow very rapidly, maturing in about 4 weeks, along with being cold tolerant and able to handle cold temperatures and frost. So let's go ahead and get started. The first plant I recommend growing in your fall container garden is radishes. Radishes are really fast to grow and they require only a small to medium sized container. Choose a container that is 6 inches deep and as wide as you like. The wider the container, the more radishes you can grow, and you want to sow your seeds about 2 to 3 inches apart. Provide your plants with 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, and that way they're going to grow and mature really quickly. Radishes thrive in cool temperatures ranging from 40 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. However, once the plants are established, they can handle cold temperatures all the way down to 26 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes them a perfect addition to your garden at this time of year. Radishes are ready for harvest in about 25 to 30 days, as long as they are given the right growing conditions, which is full sunlight and proper watering. So water whenever the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feels dry to the touch. Radishes are a root vegetable, so to harvest them, you just want to gently pull at the soil level and they're going to come up quite easily. You can also re-sow seeds in the same soil that you were growing in, so you can grow radishes multiple times. After harvesting your radishes, make sure to thoroughly wash and clean them, removing the radish greens, which are also edible and great to use in salads. After you clean them, store them in an airtight container in the fridge where they will last for 1 to 2 weeks. Another great fast-growing veggie for fall is green onions. Grab yourself some green onions on your next grocery trip, and then after you're done using them, you can wrap them in an elastic like I have here and submerge them in water. Within 1 to 2 days, you're going to see some new growth emerging from the top of your green onions, and their original roots are going to start growing even longer. To make these grow faster and healthier, you can transfer them into soil. Feel free to leave them in the water if you prefer to just grow them on your kitchen counter. That's also another great option as long as you change out the water every few days, but personally, I prefer to grow them in soil. So to transfer your green onions into a container, choose one that is fairly small. This one is only about 7 or 8 inches across, and you want to space your green onions 1 to 2 inches apart. They can be grown fairly close together. I'm growing 12 green onions in this one small size container. After planting, move your container into a sunny window or outside where it will receive about 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Ideally, green onions like to grow in temperatures ranging from 50 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but they can also handle the frost and cold temperatures all the way down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is great for those who have a more cold fall climate. You're going to be amazed at how fast these green onions regrow themselves. They'll be ready for harvest in as little as 10 to 14 days, so grab some as you need it, chop it up and add it into dishes like egg salad, tuna salad, or use it as a garnish on your favorite meals. Another one of my favorite things to grow in the chilly temperatures of fall is herbs. There are lots of cold tolerant herbs you can grow in your fall container garden, but my favorites include cilantro and dill. You can start both of these from seed indoors and then transition them outside, providing them with 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. I find both of these herbs grow fairly quickly, and you can actually start harvesting off of your herbs when they reach 6 inches tall. So as soon as they are a little bit more established, go ahead and start harvesting the leaves fresh as you'd like to use them. Cilantro is a cool season crop that likes temperatures from 50 to 70, but it can tolerate all the way down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Dill is fairly similar, liking temperature range of 60 to 70, but once established, it can tolerate temperatures down to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So both of these are great choices for your fall herb garden. Other cold tolerant herbs include rosemary, lavender, sage, and chives. The last plant I'm going to talk about, which is fast growing and can stand up to the cold temperatures of fall, is arugula. When growing arugula in containers, I don't really follow the typical spacing rules. I usually sow my seeds about 2 to 3 inches apart, and I densely pack my container, as I typically enjoy the baby leaves of arugula, and this way you're going to get lots of leafy growth. Provide arugula with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Arugula loves cool temperatures, ideally from 45 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, but once established, they tolerate frost and temperatures down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. You can harvest the leaves in as fast as 20 to 30 days, harvesting the outer leaves and leaving the new growth to continue in the middle. My favorite way to enjoy this leafy green is in an arugula, beet, and goat cheese salad. I have a whole short video of this on my channel, so make sure to go check it out for the full recipe. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video today and learning about my favorite fast growing plants for fall, that you will leave me a like, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.